Hi everyone, it's Brooke with the Natural Lighting Company, Solitude Premier Dealer here in New Mexico. We've been having some questions about the color of the light coming out of the Solitude, which is normally a real crisp white light that people like. Sometimes though, having more of a warm incandescent light bulb feel is what our customers are looking for, and we can easily accomplish that with what we call our Warm Effects lens. It's a filter that can be installed just above the diffuser, and it changes the tone of the light from a real crisp white light to more of a warm incandescent light bulb feel. You're going to remove your diffuser by twisting it counterclockwise, and then you're going to take the Warm Effects lens and just lay it right over top of that diffuser. And then we'll twist it right back on, and you'll see that you get a nice soft glow out of it, more of a warm tone instead of a real crisp white light. Thanks so much.